first problem, we are going to do 804 divided by 4. All right, someone tell me how to set this up. What do I do? Jacob, what do I do?
You draw the house, then you put 804 inside it, and then 4 on the outside.
You guys agree with him? Looks something like that? All right. Let's do this together. Please do not go ahead of me. If you are going ahead of me, I don't want you to, okay? I want you to stay with me. All right, how many times can 4 go into 8? 2. 4 times 2 is 8. It goes in there perfectly. So 8 take away 8 is, and then I need to bring down my number. So now I have 2 zeros. What do I do? I can't bring down the 4 because I still have this place value. So how can I show that? Put a 0 up here?
Yeah. 0 up there.
Well, what's 4 times 0?
0.
Oh, okay. So I can put a 0 in, and 0 take away 0 is 0, and bring down my 4. How many times can 4 go into 4? Once. All right, so what the point of this problem was to show us is that when we have a 0 in there, can we just ignore it and keep going? No, we have to hold that place value. So we have to hold it by putting that 0 up top. But that only happens when we have to bring the 0 down like that. All right, you want to try another one?
Yes.
All right, erase that one. Oh, we forgot to check that one with multiplication. That's okay. We'll check this one with multiplication. All right, here's your new problem. 4,218 divided by 3. All right, so set it up. All right, again, please do not go ahead of me. I want you to stay with me, okay? I know you guys get excited and want to get these done, but I want you to stay with me for the first few. We will have time in a few minutes to work it by ourselves, okay? All right, how many times can 3 go into 4? 1. 3 times 1 is?
3.
4, take away 3. What do I do next?
Bring down the 2.
Bring down my 2. How many times can, oops, I didn't bring it down. How many times can 3 go into 12? 4. And then what do I do next? Bring down my 1. How many times can 3 go into 1? 0. It's one of those tricky ones like the last problem. So let's put a 0. 3 times 0 is? 0. So I'll bring down that 1 again, and then I'll bring down my 8. How many times can 3 go into 18? 6. All right, so there's our answer. What did I say we had to do at the end of this problem, though?
Multiplication.
Yeah, check with multiplication. So let's do 1,406 times 3. All right, you guys go ahead and do that one on your paper, and we'll check our answers and see if we're the same. All right, did you guys get the same as me?
Yeah.
4,218?
Yeah.
Perfect. And do those match? Great. All right, let's erase this and let's get out our book. through a couple of lessons today.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
We've only been doing it for like 10 minutes. 15. We've been doing it for 5. Look at me.
All right, who would like to read me the directions? Tori, when everyone is quiet, you may read the directions, okay? I want to make sure everyone's being respectful. All right, so it says divide. Check your solutions by multiplying. Does it tell us which way to divide? No. So you can do it using the standard algorithm. You may use it. You may do it using the place value chart you wanted to. Whatever way you would like. Let's do this first one together. Can we do the standard way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. All right. How do I do this first step? Because I have a 4 and a 2 here. Devin, what do you think?
0.
What?
Put 4 into 20.
Yeah, on our first problem, we can always go into the first two numbers, right? Do you guys remember that trick from last time? So how many times can 4 go into 20? 5. 4 times 5 is 20. How many times can 4 go into 4? 1. Cool, are we all done?
Yeah.
No, we're only halfway done. What's the second step of the problem say?
Check by multiplication.
Yep, so let's check it by multiplying. 51 times 4. Did we get it? Yeah. That was an easy one. All right, I'm going to do actually, let's do number 2 together. Let's do this one together. All right, set it up. Who can tell me my very first step that I need to take? Jesselyn? All right, who can help her out? How many times can 3 go into 7? Kaylee? 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract. And bring down our 0. All right, what's my next step? Brendan?
See how many times 3 can go into 10.
Exactly. And how many times can 3 go into 10? 3. 3 times 3 is? Bring down our 4. Can 3 go into 14?
No.
Not perfectly, but can it go into 14? Yeah, how many times?
4.
4 is the closest it can get, because 3 times 4 is 12. So this is going to give us a remainder of 2. All right, let's go ahead and check these. How do I check it? Multiply 234 by 3. All right, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 3 times 2 plus 1, 7. Oh, that doesn't match, though. Josie, what am I forgetting?
You have to add the remainder.
Yep, I have to add my remainder. Now does it match? Yep. All right, why don't you guys go ahead and finish 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Can we do it with the partner?
If you need some help, you may do it with a partner. Stay at your seats, though, okay? We aren't getting out of our seats because we have a few more things to do. All right?
Sit at a different spot on the table.
Yes, that's fine.